welcome to Hogle Home Safari. My name's Haley and I'm part of the education team here at Utah's Hogle Zoo. Here at the zoo, we take care of all sorts of animals, but we also need to think about the needs of the people and plants who are here as well. And although people, plants, and animals might seem really different, we actually have a lot of things in common. We all need food to eat, water to drink, a safe place to be, and space to find all of those things. So let's take a look around the zoo and see how we provide for the needs of all the living things here. People also need food, which is why there's lots of places where you can find yummy snacks here at the zoo. Like right here at the BEASTRO, you can get a nice yummy macaroni and cheese if you've worked up an appetite looking at animals all day. Plants might not have mouths the way animals and people do, but they still need food to eat. For plants, that means using their roots to collect nutrients from the soil and spreading their leaves to collect the sunshine. All of the animals here at the zoo need food. And we've got a lot of different types of animals that need a lot of different types of food, and making sure each animal gets the right food is a big part of daily life here at the zoo. Our vets choose out the perfect recipes for each animal, and our keepers prepare and present the food just right for every animal's needs. People need water to drink, which is why here at the zoo we've got lots of water stations like this where you can get a drink from the drinking fountain or even refill your reusable water bottle. A lot of the plants here at the zoo are well suited for Utah's dry habitat. But for those that don't get enough water from the rain, we have sprinklers all throughout the zoo to make sure that every single plant gets as much water as it needs to drink. Water is also really important for animals. Some exhibits have pools in them where animals can play or drink, but every animal here at the zoo has some sort of access to water. Our elephants, for example, love swimming in this pool, and they can take a drink from it too when they need to, but elephants need a lot of water. In fact, they drink 50 gallons of water every single day. That's an entire bathtub. So we make sure there's lots of places where elephants can catch a drink on a hot day. Some of them are like this pool are pretty obvious, but others are a little bit more well hidden from people. Utah's Hogle Zoo is open when it's really hot, when it's really cold, and even if it's raining or snowing. That's why we've got lots of shelter for people here at the zoo. Covered viewing like this, and places where they can go inside so that people have places to be where it's shady when it's hot, dry when it's raining, and in the wintertime we even put up heaters all around the zoo to help people stay warm. Shelter might look a little bit different for plants, but remember, shelter's just a safe place to be. That's why here at the zoo, a lot of the places where we have plants, we also have fences. Those fences keep people out and help keep the plants nice and safe. That's why when you visit the zoo, it's important to remember, never cross a fence. Even if you don't see an animal on the other side of it, that fence is still providing shelter to living things like plants. Here at the zoo, we provide shelter for all of our animals that meet their specific need. Places that help them stay dry, stay warm, stay cool, whatever that animal needs. Our red pandas are a great example of this. We have places outdoors that'll give them shade, we have sprinklers that help them keep cool, and we just built them a brand new cool room so they can stay inside where it's air conditioned in the summertime. People also need space, and we have over 1 million people visit Utah's Hogle Zoo every year. That's why there's lots of space for people here at the zoo. Space for people to see animals, but also spaces where people can eat or play. Plants don't move around like animals and people do, but they still need space to grow. That's why here at the zoo we have lots of spaces set aside just for plants. Animals also need space, and here at the zoo we work hard to make sure every animal has the space that they need. African savanna is our biggest exhibit, and it has lots of space, so it has lots of different animals. It's home to giraffes, zebras, ostriches, warthogs, and little guinea fowl. Your home might not be a zoo, but you can still find all the things that you need. Use your home habitat scavenger hunt to find and draw a picture of a sunny place for a plant, shelter for a bug, a place where you can get water, and the space that you need. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time at Hogle Home Safari.